We'll conclude this presentation by taking a look at question number 8. It says it takes the machine 40 seconds to fill a cubic box with sides measuring 10 inches. How long will it take the same machine to fill a cubic box with sides measuring 15 inches? So if we're filling the box, we're talking about its volume. So the volume, again, as we saw just a minute ago, the volume here when we're talking about some type of prism is length times width times height. So what they're telling us is the box that it's filling has sides measuring 10 inches. So in other words, tens for all of the numbers, 10 times 10 times 10. So that means the volume of that box is 1,000 cubic inches. And what it says is it takes 40 seconds to fill that box. So what we need to figure out is a unit rate here. And again, a unit rate is what makes the bottom number become a 1. So in other words, we're figuring out what the machine can do in 1 second. So we're dividing the bottom number by 40 to make this go to 1. And of course, I'm going to do the same thing to the top. So that's 25 inches cubed per second. So the machine can fill up 25 cubic inches in a second. And again, that's just me dividing the top and the bottom by 40 to make the bottom number go to 1. Now that's not my answer, that's just the filling rate of the machine. Now what the question says is the box now it's going to fill up is going to be 15 inches long on each of its sides. So a 15 by 15, 15 box. So 15 times 15 times 15 for the volume of my new box is 3375. Now we know from what we just figured out that the machine is filling at 25 cubic inches per second. So what I want to do now is I'm going to divide this by 25, and that will tell me how many seconds it's going to take me to fill up that new box. Well, when I take 3375 and divide by 25, the result is 135. So it's going to take 135 seconds to fill up the box whose dimensions are 15 by 15 by 15.